What's up, everybody? I'm back, and I'm finally excited because I got the World Peacekeeper action figure. I've been wanting for a minute, since I heard about these. Let's just say that. But my area never had the black one, and my mini life on Instagram was luckily able to find her. But I told her, I was planning on buying him from her, but she told me she'll do accept the doll trade, and that's what I did. Cause I traded her. She was looking for Pretty Girls Valencia. She was $8, I think, and the Kenya fashion doll I gave to her was $5. So she actually got $2 for the price for this extra because that's how cheap stuff is in Birmingham. So this is why I don't want to move from Birmingham because we still got these cheap stores here, but I need to find out what can I open. Oh, I can open this with my key if I can. Then ain't no telling which one of these big lots got the black World Peacekeeper, but I'm glad I got him now because I don't gotta search for him no more just to be disappointed again. Ooh, this is so easy because this ain't like this Mattel stuff they make. You just do this and okay, that was my sister cutting in the video. Quick. Oh, this remind me so much of old school G.I. Joe, and I got a old school G.I. Joe that got something like this necklace he got. And the cool thing about these is I heard these can actually fit Ken doll clothes. But before I do that, I think I'm just gonna let him play it cool in this outfit until I can get some replacement hands for him. Because Doll World told us how we can get replacement hands for him. And it should be that easy. It should be that easy if I go to the link on her video, but I don't got the money on my Bluebird card to actually do that. And she told us it don't actually cost that much to ship them. I think it was like $10 maybe to get the hands, but and the hands actually come off that easily like this. And for this would be $13. These actually great quality than a lot of other stuff out here. And they said these used to be $10. These probably are still $10 at Roses, but the Roses near me never had these. Cause I've been seeing these and I would been bought one right then and there. If they had them, they didn't have the black one. You come with the little bombs. That's 2 bombs. I don't know what this is. I'm pretty sure that's a camcorder. I don't know what this thing is. I really didn't want this for the accessories, but I'm glad to have them. I wanted this just for the action figure itself. Cause black articulated action figures with removable clothing is so hard to find in 2017. Which is sad, cause all these companies make all these Caucasian fully clothed male articulated action figures. They could at least make one black version of each line, but that's how some companies do it. But you can't get mad because yeah, that was my mom. But I'm positive this will last a long time. And to my mini life again, thanks, cause I've been looking for this forever. That's it for this video.